Replacement of the braking semi-metallic rear brake pad A28SN1 for QJSRT 800, Aprilia, Ducati, KTM, MV Agusta, Kawasaki, and all compatible motorcycles. We lightly tap the bolts that we will remove using a hammer. We tap the Allen bolts to ensure they seat properly.
We loosen the 7 Allen bolts.
We seat the 7mm Allen socket firmly. We loosen it using a ratchet wrench. Now we can remove it by hand. Using a screwdriver, we push back the pistons from the brake pads. We remove the caliper from its position. With a thin screwdriver, we remove the shaft clip. With the help of a small pin or bolt, we remove the pin from its place by striking it with a hammer. The pin comes out and the brake pads fall out. We clean it with a cleaning spray. Let's take the new brake pads out of the box. We compare the new and old brake pads. We lubricate the metal edges of the brake pad. We also lubricate the brake pad retaining pin. We install the intermediate contact shield onto the new brake pad. First, we install the brake pad closest to us and partially insert the pin. Then we install the other brake pad and fully seat the pin in place. To refit the caliper, We push the pistons back slightly. We fully seat the caliper, pin in place. We install the pin clip in place. We seat the caliper into the disc mount. We apply thread locker to the 7mm Allen bolts. We thread the bolts into place by hand. Using a ratchet wrench, we take up the slack on the bolts. We tighten it to 40 Newton meters using a torque wrench. The job is finished. Don't forget to pump the rear brake.